Hello students, I am Dr. Himanshu Sarkar. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Happy New Year to all of you. I think all of you are well. In my last lection, I discussed the electrostatics, that is the Coulomb's law, concept of unit charge, SI unit and the electrostatic unit, comparison, etc. Today, I will discuss the electric field and the electric field intensity. This is for class 12 physics. Before that, I request to all of you to subscribe my channel so that all of you can view my channel contents in future. Now, in electrostatics, what I discussed last class? Unit charge. Last class, unit charge. What is the definition of unit charge? Last class I discussed everything. That is the two identical charges placed at distance 1 meter in air, and if the force between them is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton, then the charges are said to be unit charge. I also explained everything in details in my last lecture. You can follow it. Now, today I am discussing what is the electric field actually means. Suppose a charge is Q is placed here. You know, I can consider a zone, a surrounding zone, where if I put any other charge, suppose charge is Q dashed, then this charge will experience force due to this charge Q. Then we consider this is the electric field zone of this charge Q. If I keep another charge, suppose Q double dashed, in this zone, then what will happen? This charge will not experience any force due to this charge Q. That is this charge is outside the field of this charge, but this charge is within the field of this charge. I think clear? Now this electric field or everything, how to measure? We can measure it by the term called electric field intensity. Actually, what is the meaning of electric field intensity denoted by the symbol E? What is the meaning? The meaning is that suppose I am considering a charge Q here. At distance R, I place a unit positive charge. Clear? Here you place a unit positive charge. Then what will happen? This charge Q will give some force on this unit positive charge, or the unit positive charge will experience some force due to this charge Q. This distance between the unit positive charge and the charge Q is at distance R. Suppose I consider air medium, okay? Air medium, suppose. Then you know by the Coulomb's law, what is the force between these two charges? Force formula is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q. Q1 means Q. Q2 means what? 1. Okay. So 1 by R square. So that is equal to, this force is nothing but electric field intensity. So that is denoted by the symbol E. So what is the formula of the E? is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. That is the formula of the electric field intensity is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by R square. Now you know intensity is a vector quantity. It has both the magnitude and direction. That is the magnitude part. How to get direction? This is what? Positive charge. This is what? Unit positive charge. Positive, positive, what happens? Repulsion. So the direction of intensity here is this along this direction. This is E. Again I am discussing this is positive charge. This is also positive charge. That is a direction of intensity. So to measure intensity, what steps I am doing? At what point I am interested to find out the intensity at that point, we should place a unit, imagine a unit positive charge is there. Then force experienced by this unit positive charge due to this charge Q is the measure of intensity. So what is the intensity? 1 by 4 epsilon 0 Q by R square. Direction is this. Clear? Now, suppose this charge is minus Q. Then at distance R, at this point P, how to find intensity? Same way, that is here you assume a unit positive charge. So what is the form of intensity? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into what? What I should write down? Tell me. Should it be minus Q or plus Q? Answer is what? Only Q, not minus Q. So Q by R square. That is intensity formula for the positive charge and for the plus Q charge and the minus Q charge, same formula. But what is the difference? Direction. Here is what? Unit positive charge. Here is what? That is unit positive charge. So this is positive charge, this is negative charge. So positive is moving towards the negative. So that is the direction of intensity. So if I consider plus charge and minus charge, magnitude of the intensity is always same. But direction is different. For minus charge, this is a direction. And if it is a positive charge, this is a direction. So I should write down, if you don't consider plus charge or minus charge, I should write down the GL formula of the intensity is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 charge and magnitude by R square. That's the basic formula. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. I think all of you clear? No problem? Now, suppose I consider a field, electric field. I consider this electric field. Electric field, it is measured by the term intensity E. Now place a charge Q inside the electric field. This charge will experience some force. So force experienced by a charge Q in electric field of intensity E is force formula is equal to what? Q into E. That's the force formula. It's very, very important formula. This formula very, very important formula, and we will do lots of numericals based on that formula. So if we place a charge Q in the electric field of intensity E, the charge particle Q will experience some force. What is the force formula? That is a Q into E. Clear? Then what is the unit of force? Unit of intensity. Unit of intensity. You know the formula? F is equal to QE. So E is equal to what? E is equal to what? Force by Q. So what is the unit? Force means what? Newton. Charge means what? Coulomb. So unit is what? Newton per coulomb. Clear? So the intensity unit is what? Newton per coulomb. You try a very small numerical in electric field 50 Newton per coulomb, a 20 coulomb charge is placed. Find force. Find force. How to do it? The question, total question is what? Total question is what? In electric field of intensity 50 Newton per coulomb, a 20 coulomb charge is placed. Find force. How to do the numericals? Very easy. Answer is what? This is the question. But the answer, force is equal to, you know, Q into E. Q is what? 20. E is what? 50. So, 1000 at the Newton. This answer. So, I think all of you clear? I am stopping my class here. My next lecture, I will discuss the end gun position, broadside position and the dipole. Thank you.